In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bitbucket repository. Whether you're new to version control or an experienced developer, having a central place to store your code makes collaboration and organization much more manageable. So let's dive in and set up a Bitbucket repository together. First, let's start from your Bitbucket workspace. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. When you arrive at your workspace overview, you'll notice a menu bar on the left-hand side. This is your gateway to managing all projects under your control. Now focus your attention on the top left section of the screen. Here, you will find an option labeled Create. Go ahead and click on Create to initiate the process of establishing a new repository. After clicking Create, a drop-down menu will appear offering several options. You want to select Repository from this list. Clicking on Repository opens a new page where you'll be specifying details about your new project. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the rest of your project setup. Now, let's enter the details for your project. You'll start by entering a project name. This is the overarching grouping for your project, helping you to organize multiple repositories under a common name. Following that, you'll need to name your repository. Think of this as a specific folder within your project. It should clearly indicate the purpose or function of the code it contains. Complete these fields thoughtfully, as these names will play a crucial role in later stages of your development workflow, such as sharing your repository with collaborators or setting up continuous integration. Next, you have the option to add a README file. While this step is optional, it's an excellent practice to include a README, as it offers an overview of your repository's purpose and usage. If you choose to add one, you'll have a clean slate to detail what the repository is about, how to set it up, and any other important information for others who might interact with your repository. It can be edited and updated over time, making it a dynamic and useful document for current and future collaborators. Once you've filled out all the necessary information and decided on whether you would like to include a README, the final step is to go ahead and click on Create Repository. Doing so will take all the settings you've just established and configure them, creating your new repository. You should now see your new project in the workspace, ready for you to push code, invite collaborators, and start building. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Bitbucket repository. From here, you can dive into coding, connect your repository to other tools you use, or explore Bitbucket's many integration features. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!